can describe my relationship with my sister through this song. We promised each other that we will never leave her side no matter what. As a sister, she's very caring and loving to me and my brother, like my mom. I adore her for how she is as a person. If people would ask me, who do I want to be if given a chance, I would say it's my sister. She's the best thing that I have in my life now, and I will never let anything happen to her. My sister is a brave girl, though sometimes she's iyakin. She's very independent, brave, and responsible. She's beautiful inside and out. She's a child of God with a loving heart. Since my ate is almost perfect to me, the guy that she marries has to be perfect for her standard. Dexter to me is like my older brother ever since they got together. This day is much better than what I dreamed of for my sister. Congratulations.
Thank you, Joanna. Touching message.
Pwede ba mag-take dun sa kanta ko?
Gusto mo? Sige, please. Tawagin natin si Albert.
Okay na, bye-bye.
Albert, pagkakataon mo.
Albert, huwag kang magulo.
Thank you, Joanna. Round of applause, please, for all our principal sponsors, and of course, Brian's sister. Thank you, Mr. Pangilinan, Mr. Abelio, Ms. Bautista, and Ms. Pangilinan. Now, this is a game. We're going to play a game. The game was devised, sort of, by the bride and groom.